Hi there everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is FX Major, your mentor, the only doctor that focuses on changing people's lives and the only trader that pierces through the market. Okay guys, so on today's video I'll be actually sharing with you 100 or rather a 99% or rather a 98% winning strategy with you guys. So if you are new to our channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment on the comment section below on whether this is actually what you guys are also seeing or it's another different story. So again, please follow us on our social media platforms on Facebook, which is FX Major or rather FX Major, and on IG or rather Instagram it's fxmajor.doctor, fxmajor.doctor. And be sure to also join us on our free signals group, which we actually currently posting or rather having signals sent on the free signals group. But however, if you're looking for daily signals, you can kindly join our free giveaway special offer, which is just here. You can join our free or rather our giveaway special offer, our VIP giveaway special offer, and be part of our wonderful family. And again guys, we also have a trading community or rather an FX Major trading community on Facebook. If you can search FX Major community, you'll get the link or rather you'll see the group which we have, the FX Major community. So be sure to follow us on our social media platforms and join our trading community, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let's build a wonderful community whereby we'll be actually grooming billionaires and millionaires through our trading signals and education. Okay, so on today's video I'll be actually sharing with you an analysis and also a strategy which I'll actually include on this video, and we'll be actually analyzing Euro USD. Okay, so as you know guys, whenever you start trading you have to start from a daily time frame. You have to start from a daily time frame and move to a 4-hour time frame, and then move to an hour time frame in order for us to cater all our moves, all the possible moves which we will be actually expecting from the market. Okay, so we're currently seeing a wonderful beautiful structure here. Let me just begin from a previous market structure or previous price, which will let us begin from let me check from 5 years back, so that you can guys get a hint or know how we actually made this beautiful structure. Okay, so first things first, I'll highlight my level, which we have the first level here, which is in alignment with this level here, our lowest level here, lowest level here, and our other level which we have here, Okay, so seeing that we have a beautiful setup whereby we can anticipate and see that the market has been actually moving in a beautiful pattern, or rather it's been moving in a beautiful tight formation, we can actually see that the market is trying to actually give us a beautiful setup, or rather a beautiful market setup. Okay, so seeing with this, I can see that we have had a beautiful from previously, we can see that the market had this level played out, which indicated to us that this level here is our major level, whereby the market actually changed its direction from this point here before shooting to the upside. And the first reason why the market actually changed its direction, or rather its movement, is due because of this high which we had here. This high which we had here had the market to move to the downside and consolidate to the downside before reaching to this level here and start actually moving to the upside, retest, continue to the upside. That's where we got our market structure. But however, seeing from the previous market, we can actually see that the market, or rather Euro USD, has actually been in a point whereby it has been trying to actually find or gain momentum for it to actually have a movement. Hence why we had this impulse movement to the downside before we even have a consolidation price, or rather a market consolidation, then coming to this point here and reverse. So it reveals to us that Euro USD from the 26th of Jan 2018 to the 23rd, or rather the 26th, let me do this, or rather the 23rd of April 2020. That's where we can see our major points whereby the market reversed, or rather retested at this level here, or let me say rejected at these points here. Okay, so seeing that from this point here we had a market movement to the downside before actually changing its direction here and continuing to the upside. We can see that after this whole consolidation and a reverse on this level here, we can see that the market started gaining momentum, as we can see from this point here. As we can see that the market had, let me do this, we can actually see that the market had or gained enough momentum to break to the upside. Hence why we have this huge spike to the upside before coming to retest and go back to the upside and gain also another movement or high volatility movement to continue to the upside. And hence why I also had this consolidation before going to the upside. Okay, so this reveals to us a lot about this level here. It shows to us that seeing that from this actually movement from this previous structure, or rather this previous consolidation market, the market actually came to this point here with less momentum to come to this point here, which actually took a lot of time in order for it to come to this point here, showing us that this was a high, or rather a major level, and coming to test this major level here. So seeing that the market did that, we can also see that we have this beautiful retest here where the market decided to come and retest at this point here before going to the upside. Okay, so seeing that we have this retest and continuation to the upside, this proves to us, or rather shows us, that this is our high, respected level, high respected level. Okay, so this is our high respected level here, and also this one here is our first This is our first high respected level, and this is our second high respected level. So first high respected level and second high respected level. And again, the reason being why we're saying it's a respected level, we can see a consolidation, or rather a retest on that specific level, as we have a lot of retest here, or rather confirmation, or rather consolidation at this point here. Same applies to here. We had a beautiful movement, or rather momentum to the upside before coming to the downside and actually test this level here. And then that's when we also had our levels here before continuing to the upside. Okay, coming back to here, we can see that the market had enough momentum and came to retest at this level here, which is also our major level. But for now, we don't consider it as a major level, but however, it's also a respected level. So I'll just highlight, or rather put this ones here. Okay, so this is where our market actually took to the upside, came back to retest this level before shooting to the upside. Hence why we had this beautiful double bottom here. Okay, so seeing that we had a beautiful movement to the upside, we can see that from this double bottom here, we had a beautiful move to the upside before coming to the downside, and hence why we also have this wonderful movement here, or rather wonderful level, whereby the market respected that level. Okay, so guys, please make sure to comment on the comment section below and give your feedback on how you're actually seeing this. Okay. So moving up, we can see the same level here. So this thing goes on and on again, guys. We have this beautiful move to the downside and a respectful level here before continuing to the upside, respectful level here before continuing to the downside, and a bit of a play on this zone here before shooting to the downside, coming back to retest at this level here before impulsing to the downside, having a bit of a consolidation before coming to the downside. You see, until this certain point here, till it came to the downside and having this major level here, which is what we are going to be focusing on currently. Okay, so seeing that I've placed my levels here, I can also see that the market has another level here, another level here, another level here. Okay, so seeing that the market has beautiful levels, that means, or rather tells us, that the market has to play inside these levels. Okay, for example, we had a retest at this point here, whereby the market broke and came back to the downside, and we had a bit of consolidation with which actually the market wanted to come in and retest here, but did not actually have enough momentum to retest at that level there. That's when it decided to come back down. That's when we started having our level here, and then continue to the upside, having to play a bit, break, come back, play a bit, break, come back, break, come back, break, come back and test this level here, go to the upside, come play. So currently we are waiting for the market to actually come back to the downside, if not break this level here, and that's when we start taking ourselves and move to the downside, or actually move until this point here, or rather move to this point here. So we have two confirmations, guys, or rather two. Let me do this. We have this here, this here. So we have this here, this here, so we have this here, this here, and we have this here, and this here, this here, this here. Okay, so we are currently expecting the market to play inside these zones, to actually play inside this large zone before continuing to the upside, or rather come to this point zone here, retest, or rather reverse at this zone here, come to this zone here, and continue to the upside just like that. But let's confirm much further by going to the 4-hour time frame. Well, guys, on this video I actually wanted to analyze 3 pairs, but I believe that this video is quite a bit long, so I think I'll post 2 more videos which I was supposed to include on this video, or rather the analysis which I was supposed to include on this video. So what I'll do is that I'll post other 2 analysis which I have not mentioned on this video yet. So be sure to subscribe to our channel, guys, to not miss out on any video or any uploads that we are going to make, which will be of so much help to you guys. So be sure to subscribe. Okay, so okay, so I'm seeing a beautiful structure here, or rather a market structure, which will be of benefit to us. Let me actually remove these zones here, because we are not currently going to be needing them just yet, but however we still have to consider them as our zones or levels. Let me also remove this one. So we are now left with our major, or rather current zones which we are focusing on. Okay, so since we have these zones here, so we had this here, guys, remember we had this move, and you're actually expecting this move here. So why am I actually expecting that move there? Is because I can see that we have a beautiful playground here which the market actually respects, as it also respected this here, this playground, this beautiful playground here. The market respected this playground here, which shows to us that we're having a beautiful inverse head and shoulder. So let me actually highlight it for you. We have this left shoulder here, we have the head, we have the right shoulder, and we have this here. But I'm actually meaning has to come here. Yes. So we're currently having this beautiful inverse head and shoulders. Such beauty, guys, such beauty. So as you can see, guys, from our major levels we can see how we get confirmations. Most confirmations from our major levels. we get our confirmations from our major levels, guys. So as you can see, this is our first current major level, second highest major level, and third highest major level. So for most of you guys who don't know this pattern, we actually call this pattern an inverse head and shoulder, which ranges in this type of form. You firstly have to have the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder before continuing to the upside. And again, the left shoulder and the right shoulder should be in the same space in order for us to anticipate for the edge, which is the head which we have here. And for the proper head and shoulder, we have to first have the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder before continuing to the downside. And again, this level here, or rather both our head and shoulders, or rather our shoulders, should have the same level, just like we do here. We have the same level. Let me show you. We have the level which ranges from here and another level here. Well, it's not that much of a straight level because of the market. Let me see. Okay, so it's not exactly the same or other level, but then it's because of the market behavior, guys. So the market won't actually want to give you, or rather show you, the full view of the pattern which you are actually looking at or looking for. It will try to manipulate it here and there to actually confuse your mind if whether this is the correct pattern which you are seeing or anticipating. That's what the market will actually do, to confuse you in whether this is the current, or rather the correct pattern you should be looking at or looking for. Okay, so let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so on a 1 hour time frame, it's quite broad because we do not see the head and shoulder which we are actually analyzing, but however we will be looking for our entry point on this inverse head and shoulder. Let's go to 1 hour and look for our entry point. Okay, so looking at our entry points, we also have to highlight our levels which we have, which is our first level, third level, fourth level. So these are our levels, guys. So seeing that we have these beautiful levels, we can see that this is our first level, second level, third level, and where the market will actually try to play before going to the upside to give us our inverse head and shoulder entry point. So our first entry point was supposed to be here or here, but however we're having a beautiful inverse head and shoulders confirmation of an entry point here. I would actually take this trade at this point here, because seeing that from a 4 hour time frame, we can see that our level is respected because of this here. The market rejected, or rather reversed, a lot of times at this point here, which is our first, second reversal, third reversal, a bit of a reversal here, a reversal, a retest which we have here, a retest which we had here on this level, which acts also as a confirmation, another level here, or rather a retest here, a retest, or rather support, and we're currently having this level here. Okay, so seeing that this is what we're actually looking at, we can freely say that we will be actually be expected to take our trade. From here. This is a bit light, guys. Let me actually change the colors for you to see properly. So we can actually expect a beautiful trade from this punch here. Or rather a beautiful trade from this punch here. To the upside. Okay, so this is what we are actually expecting from Euro USD. Okay, so this is what we are currently expecting from your USD. As I've said, guys, it has to come to this point here, retest before shooting to the upside. So this is what they're actually currently expecting from Euro USD. This is the possible move for Euro USD, but again, this is actually on a 4-hour time frame. Let's jump into a 1-hour time frame and see. But here I'm actually seeing a bit of, oh yes, it has to come and retest here. To actually test this zone here before shooting to the upside. Okay, let's move to a 1-hour time frame. Okay, so this is what we're actually seeing. I'm actually seeing this bit of a movement here. I'm actually seeing this as a beautiful W type formation, because I'm actually seeing this. Let me put this here as a W type formation, because I'll have this come to this point here and give us a W type formation before continuing to the upside. Okay, so this is what I'm actually expecting from Euro USD, but again I'll post other videos to actually show you more strategies or rather more analysis on certain currency pairs or other instruments. So on this one I'll actually post this on the free signals group, so be sure and be part to actually join the free signals group, because I'll actually share this. I might share this as a signal. So also be sure to join our VIP group. I love you guys. This is FX Major Mentor, the only doctor that focuses on changing people's lives and the only trader that pierces through the market. This is the 98% winning strategy which I've just shared with you guys. So be sure to share this video to friends, families and loved ones to not miss out on any updates or any uploads that we are going to make in the near future. Otherwise, this is FX Major Mentor signing out.